Hi, I'm Akmakjian, jewelry expert at BriteCo Insurance. Today, let's discuss how to polish your jewelry at home safely and effectively, whether it's gold, silver, or costume pieces. When it comes to cleaning your jewelry, simplicity and gentleness are key. Here's a reliable method suitable for various types of jewelry. Prepare a cleaning solution. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap in a bowl. Soak the jewelry. Place your jewelry in the solution and let it soak for a few minutes to loosen the dirt and grime. Gently scrub. Use a soft-bristled toothbrush to gently scrub the jewelry, paying attention to the crevices. Rinse and dry. Rinse the piece under warm water and dry them with a soft, clean cloth, preferably a microfiber cloth. This method is safe for most jewelry including gold, sterling silver, and diamond pieces. However, for delicate items like pearl jewelry, it's best to avoid soaking and instead wipe them with a gentle, damp cloth. Silver jewelry, especially sterling silver and silver-plated items, can tarnish over time. To polish silver jewelry, baking soda paste. Create a paste using 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. Apply it to the tarnished silver and gently rub it with a soft cloth. Rinse thoroughly and dry. Lemon juice and olive oil. Mix a half cup of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, dip a clean cloth into the solution and gently rub the silver until it shines. Rinse and dry. Always use a soft cloth to avoid scratching the silver surface. Gold jewelry maintains its luster with regular care. To clean gold pieces, a soapy water soak. Mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water. Soak the gold jewelry in for a few minutes. Gentle scrubbing. Use a soft bristled toothbrush to remove dirt, especially in the crevices. Rinse and dry. Rinse with warm water and dry with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals as it can damage the gold surface. Costume jewelry requires careful handling due to its delicate nature. A quick dip. Dip a soft cloth into a solution of mild dish soap and warm water. Wipe the jewelry gently, avoiding excessive moisture, especially near glued areas. Dry immediately. Use a clean, dry cloth to remove any moisture. Avoid soaking costume jewelry as water can loosen adhesives and damage the finishes. Proper storage. Store pieces in a jewelry box lined with soft fabric to prevent scratches and minimize exposure to air, which can cause tarnishing. Regular cleaning. Wipe down jewelry after wearing to remove oils and sweat. Avoid harsh chemicals. Remove jewelry before swimming or using cleaning products. Regular maintenance of your jewelry not only enhances its appearance but also extends its lifespan. For added peace of mind, consider protecting your valuable pieces with comprehensive jewelry insurance from BriteCo. Visit brite.co to learn more and get a quote today. Thank you for watching.